Richard Radke here with information on multiple funnel income with the 5 income streams and the costs of all of them. So let me give you that information. First of all, I'll show you the highlights about it. First of all, you start there, but if you go in here and click on the links, basically each link is attached to a capture page. So you can use as many as you want, or one. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them. Then if you go back into the system again, you can see all the training you get. First of all, you get weekly training. Then you get this here shows you how to be a better marketer. Look at all the information in there. If you watch all those videos, you're going to be a better marketer. Then if you go back into it again, we have one more training. That's a 7-step training. First one is lesson 1. Basically, that means work on your personality. Then we have lesson 2. It shows you how and where to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. And then lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTubes. And lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And then lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. And then lesson 7 has some more bonuses in there that you can check out when you get in there. Then we go back into the system again. And if you go there, it shows you all your teams. And if you go here, it shows you all the leads you have once you start advertising. And you get an email with each one of them. So be sure and follow up, because they want to follow up. Very few people sign up on the first time they see something unless they really like it. So I follow up, and you definitely should too. The company follows up, but they want to hear from you. Then if you go to the leaderboard, it shows you who's all in the leaderboard. And if you go to resources, that's a sample of emails that you can use to do follow-up, or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you which ones but you should definitely do follow-up, because like I say, they don't want to do it for one-time seeing. Then you go into your business, shows you all the business you have, and then you got a bonus income, which I'll cover later if I don't forget. Okay, now that pretty well tells you all the stuff that's in there. So, okay, let's say that you want to get started and you want to know the cost. Okay, first of all, if you click on that one, Matt does a video explaining the system. And to get started, usually it's $97, but right now they got a special on for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. And they also have a yearly plan if that suits you better. That's the route I went, because you don't have to worry about it for a whole year. It costs $350 and you make a $200 commission. Then you go to step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in if you have some already. And if you don't have any, you can take a look at the ones I got. They're both under $10 each, and they're very good opportunities. Then you've got step 4, which is traffic authority. They do trading. You can get good leads from there. They've been in business for over 10 years. And the cost there depends on how many leads you buy. The more leads you buy, the cheaper per lead. So it's entirely up to you. Then you go into bonus 5, I call it, which is my 5th bonus income. There, for $1 a day, you get 100 leads every day, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission, plus you get an extra 100 leads every day. So at the end of the month, you could have 6,000 leads, and that includes all your mailing. And I mail them every day. That's all included with this package. So that's a heck of a deal for that kind of money. So it's certainly worthwhile taking a look at once you're in there. Okay, I think I pretty well covered everything. So if you want to get started, I showed you how to do that. And I'm also going to leave my contact information under the video and a link to watch Matt do the video. And with that same link, you can also join up and also, I hope you're having great weather. We're having great weather here still. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I guess that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So we'll talk to you another time.